that all of you doing great. Well, we all have been hearing about the real world use cases of the NFTs. In fact, I heard there will be coming the time when people will be selling their physical valuable items in the form of NFT. They will be selling their properties in the form of NFT. Guess what? It is not just coming to reality, it has already come to reality. And it's not just any other place, it's within England itself, and partnership by a big giant real estate firm. And the real estate property will be sold as an NFT in England, and the starting cost is $1.25 million, and it is going to save a huge amount of paperwork as well as the redundant cost and the legal work for the people. And it is already live on the Opensea, guys. So it is not something that it is about to happen, it's already happened. And this is opening the doors for the entire real estate industry in the world to utilize the blockchain, DeFi, and NFTs as adoption for the next level of innovation. So, further talking about this platform is basically transforming the real world assets into NFTs, including prime property on beautiful beachfronts. A partnership between Materium and the property consultant West London City. It simply means that a prime beachfront property on England's south coast is available as an NFT issued by the West London City subsidiary tokenized property. The plot of land can be found on the Opensea. The minimum bid for the NFT, the minimum starting bid will be 1.25 million USDC. So they are not selling it in the form of Ethereum. It is the USDC, the stable coin. Now this NFT has been linked to Materium Asset Passport, which proves the value of physical objects. It consists of a series of signed legal statements as well as the land registry documents and a detailed description of the land. So basically, the series of signed documents that was supposed to be provided in the legal form, in the paper form, and you need it. If you purchase that property, you also need to be present and sign it, and then basically you need to keep as an original document as a proof that you are the owner of it. The value of NFT being that the unique certificate of ownership is transferred. All the legal things has been done within the NFT itself. So the moment somebody is paying $1.25 million is the minimum amount. Let's say the property is sold for $2 million, right? The moment somebody pays $2 million, this legal document will be assigned to that particular owner. So now the property belongs to that particular owner. This is the real innovation, guys. This is the innovation of the decade. And what this simply means for all of us, like the DeFi, the blockchain, the polygons, the NFTs, everything related with the technology that is enabling this mass adoption. Literally, this is one of the best opportunities of the lifetime if you're still here, because we are already in the depths of the bear market. We need to understand the top projects, and in my opinion, like Matic and Polygon is making names throughout the world. One of the best picks, like one of the most stable picks as well, because obviously it is we need to be picking not just the coins which are $1 million, $2 million market cap, that's for the high gain, but I'm talking about the $3 billion market cap coin, which has a very, very high probability of existing in the next 10 years and literally crossing all the milestones. Now Materium and the West London City, let's believe this approach could revolutionize the real estate deals in the UK and 170 current countries around the world, enhancing the efficiency and the transparency in the property market, all while streamlining the transaction. Through non-fungible tokens, homes can be sold onto others without both parties needing to go through arduous legal checks all over again. This property and the property NFTs can also be integrated into the DeFi ecosystem for collateralized lending. So basically, we are even talking about the collateral thing, like you put out some loan and then like the loan is given. I mean, a lot of things can be done, and that too via the smart contracts of the DeFi. Talk about the use case. Here we have an entire trillions of dollars of industry could be adopted by this new technology. Now, while Ethereum is the championing property as a potential use case for its protocol, the platform is also targeting the other high value assets like the $1 million quadrant. So through its B2B platform, everything from gold, antiques to musical instruments and investment grade wines can be tokenized. Literally, guys, it's happening. We just talked about the use cases of NFTs. Here we are, the real world companies are doing it. It will be tokenized in the form of NFT. Anyone who purchases it becomes the owner of it, because it's NFT is a legal document. The moment that you purchase it, you become the owner of it. And this technology is being offered to other startups in the crypto space. Now, Idris Ajari of the West London City Let's said, "We are excited to be working with Ethereum on this first of its kind real estate project. It's going to be a game changer in the built-in environment industry and open up countless business avenues for people wanting to buy and sell property." Just imagine, guys. I mean, we are talking, I mean, just try to go and check the amount, I mean, how big is this real estate industry is. Just imagine, this is just the beginning of the internet, just like the beginning of the internet. So many use cases are going to erupt, and all of them are going to come parallelly. And we are not just talking about the real estate. Everything can be tokenized, right? And this is what the use case of NFT, and NFT cannot be implemented without the use of this DeFi, smart contracts, crypto, everything like based on the transaction. And all these are run by these biggies. Biggies means the AVAX, the Ethereum being the king of them, and then Polygon or Matic supporting as a side chain, even being adopted by the Facebook and Metas. So literally, guys, if you're already not invested into the protocols that is going to enable this mass adoption, for example, the project Polygon or Matic, you need to open your account at the best exchange in the world and then just go and buy it. And make sure you open the account through the link via which you can get the maximum advantage. For example, we guys offer 1 full Bitcoin as a lucky draw to anyone who signs through our link. And it is not just one time. Every time we complete 1K referral, we are going to put another lucky draw, and you might be winning again and again and again. Watch the video quickly till the end. And I hope, guys, the purpose of this particular video is to show to my audience where are we heading towards. I mean, people are talking crypto is dead. People are talking, okay, what is the use case of the other cryptos? So many cryptos. What are we talking about? How all this is going to be possible? Like, we are talking a revolution of a decade happening, which cannot be possible without this crypto and the blockchain. This is here to stay. And I'm glad that you are still here in one of the best time, prepared, ready for the next bull market to come. Smash the like button if you like the video. Please do ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances to the hilt. And watch the quick video how you can win 1 full Bitcoin just by signing up through our referral link. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win 1 full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning 1 Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code, you will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.